In this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube link to Instagram bio. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're going to first start here in YouTube, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap my profile down here, and you should be seeing here your channel. What you are going to do is just simply tap this three vertical dots here, and then go ahead and tap share. Next, go ahead and click copy link just like so, and then we're going to head over to our Instagram. From here, we're going to click edit profile, and then we're just going to scroll down until we see an option to add link. Go ahead and click that one over there, and then click add external link. Here, I want you to go ahead and type your URL here or paste it here, and then down below what you're going to do is name this one or give this a title. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this YouTube. You can say official YouTube channel, whatever. And yeah, after doing so, go ahead and tap this check button here, and we can go ahead and basically close this one. And as you can see, we now have our YouTube channel here in Instagram. And yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.